This is my Knox.
This is my Knox.
And this is my Knox.
Students typically live on campus all 4 years. However, there are a number of opportunities available, whether that's suite style living, townhouses, apartments, or even theme houses.
A theme house is basically you and a group of friends get together and have a similar interest. So you get to live in a house and you get to throw events for the terms. We have a tabletop house, which is like board games, botanical house. Smash Bros has their own house too. We also have cultural houses. Some of the ones we have are Casa Latina or Able.
The Able Center is open to the entire Knox community and is the primary space for Allied Blacks for Liberty and Equality events.
We're kind of a close-knit community, and you will find a group of people that you do enjoy to live with and a place that you enjoy to live in. On one side of the dormitories are upperclassmen housing, and on the other side are freshman housing. Post is an example of a suite style dorm, which basically means we have a common room that is attached to all the rooms so you're able to interact with people. This is a very important aspect of Knox and how we interact with each other.
Living at Knox, you can expect there always to be life around you. People will always be in the shared spaces. My suite mates weren't strangers to me any year that I've been here. You could always sit in the living room and talk with somebody.
I came into Knox and my residential hall freshman year was Sulu 102, and I still walk around and I still see that room like, I miss you. It was a nice experience because that was my first time to live in a community space with other people.
My first year dorm was congregnial. It was all women. There was 4 rooms on each side shared by a bathroom, and 2 of us lived in each room. And there was plenty of space. It never felt crowded. It was really comfortable and we were all friendly.
In Post, we have about 16 people living in one dorm. So we have 2 people per room and each one has 4 bathrooms. So you're only sharing a bathroom with about 4 to 5 other people. Each room comes with a bed that can be lofted to the height that you would like it to be. They can also be bunked if you would like that. You also get a dresser, a desk, a chair, and some really nice closet space. In Post lobby, we have our C-store, which is the convenience store, and we also have another one of our grab-and-go locations. Post lobby is also a very popular site for clubs to get together. Smash Bros Club will get together here and play video games.
The residential life, which is the campus life office, everything that the office does is to ensure that students have the best experience possible. How can we make this suite as diverse and inclusive as possible? In assigning rooms, they try to accommodate students, and the buildings, they're trying to make them comfortable for students.
Our RAs really helped us. They make games, they try to make you feel included and comfortable. Everybody gets to know each other. I've lived with the same people from that freshman dorm all 4 years.
I love my job as a residential assistant. I've been able to connect with students, build relationships with them. It's possible that some of those relationships might end up becoming lifelong relationships. My RA, my freshman year, she did a great job. And I think that was one of the things that really pushed me to apply to be an RA. I came into Knox and I saw the way RAs, orientation leaders, how they were eager to help students. They wanted us to have a great experience. They wanted to be that resource that we can always rely on to help us through that transition process. And I wanted to be that person for other students that would come in subsequently. I reflect on the times that I was a resident, those challenges that I had. It's easier for me to help them through that process.